Okay, so we're live, everyone. So I'm back live streaming. It's been a couple months since the last time I live streamed. So yeah. Anyways, I'm not coming back today to work on the game on Spaceman Memories, because I want to get some traction on some stuff I've been working on the game to share it openly on live streams. But I will certainly be coming back to live stream Spaceman Memories in the next few days and weeks. So yeah, it's the end of year, crazy times. Yeah, just trying to build. It's hard to focus, to concentrate on this time of year. Yeah, for sure, because of all the holiday vibes. But anyways, that's why I was thinking that I should have a system in which I make myself more accountable on the development of the game. So yeah, I'm thinking that I remember that I saw on I remember I read on the book about id Software, the guys that made Doom and Quake, that John Carmack, which is one of the best fucking programmers since the dawn of time. Yeah, he's like one of the best of the best. He had this system in which he seems like he was using some files called .plan files. I really don't know what type of format that is, but something like for our times, for our internet, would be like Markdown. It's just plain text, right? Yes. So I would say that Markdown is like the equivalent of something like that, something in which you can use to post very simple text. So I was thinking that I wanted to make something like that for myself, but I didn't want to make it something fancy. I've been thinking, because when we get to every new project and you're just trying to procrastinate like your main project, like for me the game Spaceman Memories, you go and try to make different stuff and you get into different stuff and it becomes too complex. So I've been thinking that I want to make something very simple that I could make in one live stream. No other session. I'm just going to try and make a very simple website in which I can post these files, these text files, which are, as I was saying, are files in which you can talk. I'm gonna show you the examples of the real files I'm talking about. So this was the format that John Carmack was using in the 90s to keep himself accountable, and he posted this on the web. I don't know if it was the web at that time, but yeah, he posted it so people could watch it. Yeah, he wanted to post this in public so people would watch what he was working on, and yeah, people could see what the progress of the games from id Software were. So yeah, there are a lot of these files. See, this is the GitHub repo of the archive of these plan files. So I'm just gonna open up some random one, and this is very simple. As you can see, he had like this format in which he used some symbols like to show what he added, like new features to the game or any code that he was working on. So this was a way to say, yeah, on this day, which was, I would say, like February the 18th, 1996, yeah, he added a scoreboard, an optional full-size view centering key, vid mode, allow you restart, and he also added random development nodes at the end of these very simple files. So I've been thinking that I should make something like this for myself, but something very simple, because I could go and try to make a very complex and cool looking blog on Substack or with WordPress or anything like that. But I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go with the extremely lean and simple type of website. Yeah, I hope that I can accomplish this with just plain HTML. yeah, maybe something very simple from CSS, and no external libraries or something like that. Maybe I will use an external library. I was reading something about that, but I will not be adding any of that bells and whistles that people use in web development, because I'm not a web developer. I'm not a web developer. I may fuck up today. Maybe this doesn't work at all. But anyways, that's what I'm going to try to do today. So if you're watching, okay, yeah, we got a couple people watching on Twitch and on X, Twitter. So if you're watching, just leave a comment if you want to talk. I'm open to talk about anything you want to talk, okay? So first thing first, so the inspiration behind this, as I was saying, were these files, these text files from John Carmack. In this was the way in which he shared his workflow and the time frame of how things were being built. And yeah, I think one of the hardest things as a solo game developer is accountability. Yeah, being accountable with yourself and with the people that are following the development of your game. So I wanted to do this, wanted to make this like a very simple system. So another thing, the inspiration behind all of this idea was this tweet that I saw by Andres Karpathy, which is like another another incredible programmer. Yeah, I'm trying to find a word for this type of guys like John Carmack and Karpathy. These are once in a generation motherfuckers. So this is one of the guys that founded OpenAI. He's one of the creators of ChatGPT, and yeah, he's out of OpenAI now, but he's a very cool guy. I really like his takes on everything related to tech. And he said this time on this tweet, which was at the beginning of this year, he said, "The internet used to be fun. I remember visiting my friends' websites. They were ugly and quirky, and it was awesome. You wonder who'd stop by yours. They were a labor of love and a medium of self-expression, not your LinkedIn." Yeah, fuck LinkedIn. Yeah, I just use LinkedIn because I have to. For some reasons, you have to use LinkedIn. It's inevitable if you're into professional stuff in many areas. But fuck LinkedIn. Yeah, fuck LinkedIn. So yeah, he said that we can fight this to turn the internet into something cooler, like simple stuff, simple crazy stuff. And yeah, I can remember from the beginning of the 2000s when I started using computers, that websites were way more simple, and you could find these personal websites of people like blogs or anything, portfolios, and they were very personal. So that's what I'm trying to do today. I want to do something very simple but personal, something that I like, and it also serves as a system in which I can share the progress of the game with simple text and maybe images, but mostly text. I just want to share the progress of the game. I don't want to use any complex system like Substack or WordPress or Notion or any of that shit. I wanted to go with the old school version of trying to post things like John Carmack did on the 90s, something very simple like this. So let's start. Anyways, let's start. So I'm gonna host this website. I'm gonna make this very simple website, and I'm gonna host it on my GitHub. And what's cool about this is that if you want to make this type of static websites, it's free to host them on GitHub. So I'm gonna make one, and I'm gonna use this thing called GitHub Pages, which is to post websites that are hosted on GitHub, and you can see the code of the websites and everything. And yeah, you can host them and people can see them. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be paying for domain. I'm not paying for hosting or anything to launch this website. I'm gonna show the process. So maybe I'm gonna fuck up today because I'm not a web developer, but anyways, yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna create a new repo. Yeah, I'm gonna create a new repo, and this one's going to be nerdypunk.github.io. Okay, so if you haven't created a website that can be visualized on GitHub, this is the format that you use for GitHub pages. So this makes it so this repo will be available also as a website and not only as a code repo here on GitHub. So I'm gonna add a README file. Should I add a license to this? Let's hope that other people use the system to post their own game devlogs. Okay, so yeah, let's say that I add a license. Okay, I'm gonna ask Grok. So I'm gonna try and use Grok today because I've been seeing that these guys from XI have been adding updates and everything, making this artificial intelligence better by the day. I also love Claude and I also love ChatGPT, but I wanted to experiment doing a project with Claude because I always use it like to ask stuff from the internet, from Twitter, from X, like live news, live data, but I haven't used it for technical stuff, so I wanted to try and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna ask Rock. Okay, I'm gonna ask Rock what would be the best open source license for a project that I really don't care what people do with it, which is the most open ones. Okay, the unlicensed is essentially a public domain dedication, which means it removes all copyright restrictions to the extent anyone to use, modify, or even sell your work without any conditions. This license is as permissive as they come. Okay, so this puts it into the public domain. Okay, we're gonna go with the unlicensed. Yeah, there it is. That's the license, the unlicensed. It's the license I'm choosing for this repo. I'm not gonna add a description until later, so I really don't know how to describe this project. But anyways, nerdypunk.github.io, that will be the domain in which you will be able to access this website, and anyone can access the website. So I'm gonna create the repo. Okay, so there it is. We've got the license, we got the README, and now I'm going to clone this repo to my computer so I can open it on my code editor. Okay, clone a repo from the internet. nerdypunk.github. This folder contains Git files. Git can only down to empty folders. Okay. I'm gonna change. This one's going to be okay, so I'm gonna clone it to this folder. Okay, there it is. Now, okay, so I was doing this on my other monitor. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, so I've cloned the repo to my computer, and now I'm gonna open it on my code editor. I'm gonna be using WebStorm, which is also an experiment today because I'm not a web developer, and I saw that these guys from JetBrains, I do use Writer because this is like the best code editor for Unity or Unreal, but I saw that they made Writer and WebStorm for free now for live streaming and this kind of projects. So yeah, I'm gonna be using WebStorm. Let's see how this works. Oh no, create project. Open project. Let's see. Users. Documents. Okay. Where's the fucking folder? GitHub. Okay. Where was the fucking folder? View on GitHub. Show in Explorer. Okay, so it's in documents. nerdypunk.github.io. Yeah. Okay. So if you're watching, just leave a comment so I know if you're watching. If you want to talk about any project, I'd be happy to talk about any project. If you want to ask about the game, about Spaceman Memories, this has been a good month for the game. It was part of, I'm very happy that it was part of the Latin American game showcase. Okay, here it is. Yeah, so really happy about it. It was part of this. It was like a pre-show of the Game Awards, the Latin American Game Showcase, and they played the trailer from Spaceman Memories on the showcase. So I'm pretty happy about that. It really pushed the wish lists on Steam. So if you haven't wishlisted the game, please wishlist it on Steam. I'd be very happy about it. So here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna open this on WebStorm. Okay, so here's our project. Okay, so first thing first. What should be the first thing that I should? I'm gonna add a very simple. As I said, I hope that I can build all of this with plain HTML files, and I can use Markdown inside the HTML files and maybe manage the style of things with one CSS, and that's all I want to do. Make it very simple. Okay, so this one's going to be, yeah, the main index. Okay, we're gonna add this one to Git. Okay, so let's see how our website looks currently. Gonna open it on Google Chrome. Okay, so this is how the website looks like now. Okay, so let's go back to Grok. This is where I'm gonna be using Grok. Okay, so Grok. Okay, I'm gonna start a new chat. Okay, I want the HTML for a very simple website. A very simple, yeah, website. For a blog, I want it to be a black background with green letters. Okay, let's see what Grok generates. Okay, so here's the HTML. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, awesome. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna copy and paste this one here. Okay, so let's see how this looks now. Okay. Yeah, fuck yeah. This is starting to look interesting, right? So, yeah. It doesn't work as it should. So let's ask Grok to fix this, to make it responsive and centered. Okay, let's go back. Where is Grok? Okay, I also will change the green color. like the green from old school console terminals. Okay, so this is like the reference, like the visual reference that I'm trying to use for this website. I've always loved how these terminals, these old school, even modern terminals use this, because I do know that there's this server system from IBM called the AS400. Yeah, I think it's the AS400, and it uses this kind of, okay, let me see, AS400 UI. Yeah, AS400 is still used by IBM, and it has this type of UI, and I love this type of user interface. Something very old school. Yeah, nothing fancy, just plain black background with green font, green letters. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here, because it reminds me to those movies from the 90s, right, in which they showed like this kind of hacker style. This looks cool. Maybe we'll try it later, but I'm gonna go for this, something like this. Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay, so let's go back to Grok. Okay, so Grok updated it with responsive design, center content, and a brighter green color, reminiscent of old school console terminals. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste it. Let's go back into WebStorm. Okay, let's see it on. Yeah, fuck yeah. This is looking like what I want. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if I scale this. Yes, see, now it is responsive. Now we're getting responsiveness in this. So how would this look in mobile? Yeah, this is how it would look in mobile. Fuck yeah. I like the font. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this font. Okay, so we're using Courier monospace. Maybe it works. Yeah, maybe I'll change it later. And I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna turn all of this code, like the style code, into a CSS that is the one that works for all of the text files that I'm gonna be using here. Okay, great. So things are working. Okay, so what would be next? Okay, let's try and link to a new file, like this new text file, which would be the first one in which would work like a devlog. Okay, so let's go back to Grok. I'm not a web developer at all, so that's why I'm gonna be asking Grok for very simple stuff. Yeah, like change this shit and change this other shit, because I don't really know shit about HTML. So yeah, that's the era we live in. We can do this kind of things. Not everything, but some kind of things. Because yeah, I understand everything here, but it would be kind of boring for me to write it from scratch, to try to write it from scratch. Okay, so now after the description paragraph, a text button that links to a file called, how would we name this file? This is going to be the sample. Okay, sample plan. Yeah, HTML, also HTML file inside the folder called plan text files. Yeah, I'm gonna create a folder called plant text files. Okay, there it is. Okay, awesome. Let's go back into WebStorm. Gonna copy and paste. Gonna save this one. And oh fuck yeah, I like this button. I like how this button looks. Okay. Yeah, didn't expect that. I just thought that it was going to be underlined text that you could click and go to this other site, but Grok gave me this very cool looking button that even changes color when I hover over it. Fuck yeah, Grok. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I'm gonna create this new file, this new folder. This one's going to be... what was the name of the folder? Plant text files. Okay, plant text files. Yeah, plant text files. And inside this one, I'm gonna create a new one called sample plant. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna save this one, and I'm gonna get one of the ones from John Carmack to use it as a sample. Okay, so did the music stop? Let me check. Let me check if the music stopped. Yeah, seems like the music stopped. Okay, it's back. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to Grok, and I'm gonna tell Grok, turn this text into an HTML file with the same style of the previous one. Okay, so I gave Grok the text, I gave the instructions, and now Grok is giving me back the result. Let's see if it looks like what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to look like this, like what we want, but I don't like the HTML syntax. Yeah, fuck that. To keep editing stuff easily, this doesn't work. I just want plain text. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna go with Markdown. Okay, so we'll just see how this looks now. Okay. Okay, there it is. Great. So I'm gonna reload this one. Fuck yeah, this is working. Yeah, and this is what I want, people. No fancy shit, just plain simple text in which I can add notes, have my to-do, show the recent changes of Spaceman Memories. But yes, this is what I wanted. Yeah, see, it is responsive. I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna click here. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, this is working. Okay, so what would be next? Okay, so I was talking about this. So this looks fine for the web user, right? They can see that as simple text. There's no mystery here. But when you see it in the code editor, this fucking sucks. Yeah, I don't like all of this line syntax to add a new line in this. I would like this to be more simple. So I'm pretty sure that we can make this work with Markdown. Okay, so awesome. I'm gonna tell Grok, Okay, dude. It looks cool. Now, I want that text that I gave you to be markdown text instead of HTML. How would we do this? Okay, here's how you can format the text you provided into markdown. No, yeah, this is markdown. Yeah, but no. Yeah, that was an error. Okay, so I'm gonna tell Grok. Sorry, it wasn't clear. I'm referring to markdown inside the HTML file. Okay, so it says that we're gonna use a library to convert markdown to HTML, or use JavaScript to do this dynamically. Here's how you structure your HTML to include markdown without actually converting to it. You still need to. Okay, yes, this is what I want. Okay, so we're gonna use this JavaScript library, but I'm not gonna use the JavaScript library inside the repo. I'm not gonna add shit. I'm not gonna download any library or anything. It seems like we can just add the library through the internet, through CDN, so we can use the JavaScript stuff inside the file easily. Okay, so let's see if this works. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. Let's go back here. Okay, yes, see, now it looks like markdown. It looks pretty clear to me. It's pretty easy to write and edit it for newer files and everything. I don't have that fucking shitty lines and all of those tags, those HTML tags, the line HTML tags. We just want very simple text that we can edit and start adding new files to this. Okay, great. So I'm gonna save this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so it isn't working. I'm gonna save this one. It isn't working right now. Yeah. Let's see why it isn't working. Yeah, because this is what I want. This is definitely what I want. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna tell Grok that it's broken. Because I don't want to use any external libraries or anything. Oh, include. Yeah. No, fuck that. No, Grok. I don't want to use the library inside my project. Just link it. Okay, apologies for the misunderstanding. Yes, this is what we wanted. Okay, so let's hope that now it links it. We can use the library from the web. Yes, now it's directly linked from the CDN content delivery network, so I don't need to host it on my project. Yeah, no hosting libraries or anything, just plain HTML like in the old days. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, we still have the markdown, see? Pretty cool. Okay. So this is working. Let's see. I'm gonna save this one. And let's reload. Oh, doesn't work yet. We thought that it was at least we're getting the black background. Yeah, we weren't even getting the black background before. Okay, so okay, let me save this one. I'm just gonna reload. No, still doesn't work. Okay, let's still grok that it doesn't work. It isn't displaying anything. Oh, anything. There's a typo. Okay, let's troubleshoot why the markdown isn't displaying. Here are a few steps. Open. No, fuck, no. Ensure that the version of marked down ready. Okay, here's the revised HTML with these suggestions. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. No, it's broken now. Okay, so earlier I was talking to Grok about this. And let me see, let me check. So I'm pretty sure that earlier I kind of made this work. Kind of made this work. So let me see. Let's see. So older conversations. Yeah. So on this one, can I use markdown inside syntax inside HTML? Yeah, tell me more about the library. I asked about the library. Okay. Okay, so I got this response earlier. I don't know if this one worked. I was just rambling with Grok to see if I could get code out of it. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. This one already had also the sample plan file from the John Carmack archive. Okay, so I'm gonna replace all of this. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna oh no, fuck no, that isn't the one. This one. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Okay, so we've got markdown here. It has another color. Don't know why it has another color. I'm gonna save it and let's reload it here. Oh yeah, now we're getting something. Fuck yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give Grok all of this one. Let's see if it works. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, I kinda made the markdown work, but now the text is too big. Let me see. No. Okay, so here it is. Here's the chat. I'm gonna tell Grok I kinda made the markdown work. It is displaying, but the text is too big and it isn't using the right formatting, like the new lines and everything in the markdown text. Okay, I'm gonna tell Grok. Here's the HTML. There are a few adjustments you can make to handle the text size. Here's an updated version of your HTML. Okay, so Grok updated it. Oh, hi, Shisof. Yeah, I'm seeing your comment on X. How are you doing? I don't seem to understand your question. Could you be a bit more clear? But thanks for watching. Really appreciate it that you're hanging out. So I'm not a web dev. So I'm just trying to build something very simple here in which I can post my devlogs in a simple text format. Okay, so I'm gonna select all of this. I'm gonna save this one. And let's go back. Oh, fuck yeah. Now it is looking as it should. I'm gonna save this one too. Let's open it here. Fuck yeah. This is what we wanted, people. Oh yeah, okay, you're going to sleep. Yeah, see you later. Okay, ya me voy a dormir. Sí, no. Buenas noches ahí. Buenas noches. Sí, yo voy a seguir aquí viendo a ver qué armo. Pero gracias ahí por ver un rato. Gracias. Buenas noches. Okay, so. Oh, you're from Reddit. Cool, dude. Really appreciate it. Gracias. Gracias por seguir el juego. Qué buena onda. Qué buena onda. Yeah, so. Así que soy de Honduras. So our friend Chisov from X, from Twitter, is also from my country. So I posted the development of my game on a subreddit of my country, Honduras, and that's where Chisov saw it. So pretty cool. Really appreciate it. So good night. Buenas noches. Ahí si ya te vas a ir a dormir. Yo voy a seguir aquí viendo a ver qué armo. So let's continue. So thanks, Chiso. Gracias. Okay, so now the markdown is displaying as what we want. So this is how it was looking before. Yeah, pretty cool. Grok fixed it. Grok fixed it. Fuck yeah, Grok. Okay, so what would be next? Let's add a button here so we can go back to the home page. Okay, so let me see. Let's go back. Okay. Cool, Grok. That one worked. You add a home button to the end and the beginning of this file. Okay, let's see. Home index.html. Awesome. Yeah, I think. Let's see how Grok made this button. Okay, I'm gonna reload that one. Right. Fuck yeah. Home. Oh, not found. Where is it going? Where is it redirecting? Yeah. Okay, let me check here. Where is this button redirecting? Index. Yeah, it's redirecting to index.html. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing the link here. It is linking to the right place. Okay, but let's see. Okay, make it centered. Make the button centered. Make sure that it links to the file index.html on the root folder. Okay, so here's the code. Seems like it should be centered now. Okay, I'm gonna save. Okay, this one. Okay, now it's centered the home. Yeah, this works now. Yeah, thanks, Rock. Yeah, it's incredible what you can do with these AIs. This may not seem like the biggest fucking program or piece of software in the world, but as I'm not a web dev, it's pretty cool the progress that I can make, not even knowing HTML or any of this stuff. Yeah, I'm into games, not into web. But this is working. Okay, so we... Oh, what's happening there? Yeah, we got a new error. Gonna run it again. Yeah, this is working. We can go back to home. Okay, so what's happening here? What's happening here? Oh, so it's trying to get to another file. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if that would be... that error would be on the web. Okay, let's try and run this on GitHub. I'm gonna be adding the changes to GitHub as I go, but let's see if this runs on GitHub. Yeah, because I've been building stuff without uploading it, making sure that this works. Okay, current repo. Yeah, okay. Initial commit. Okay. Added main page. Added sample plan file. Okay, so I'm gonna commit and I'm gonna push it to GitHub now, and we'll see if this works. Okay, so now it's on GitHub. Let's go back into Arc. Let's see if we have the changes. Okay, yeah, we have the changes. Okay, it's deployed. It says that it is deployed. Let me check here. The GitHub actions. It is deploying the page, the website now. So this is live now. This is on the web. See, just with 2 clicks, 1 button, 2 buttons. Now this is on the web. Yeah, for free. No hosting, no domains, no shit, no anything. This is already hosted on the web. So it is deploying the website. Let's wait for it to... Okay, it is deployed now. Awesome. Okay, let me go back here. And... deployment, GitHub pages. Initial... Oh, we had already an initial commit. So... I can access this page on nerdypunk.github.io. There it is. This is on the web. This is not running locally like I was showing on WebStorm. This is now on the web. You can go now live and go to nerdypunk.github.io and you will see the website. I'm gonna link it on the on the chat. Okay, so getting already check the website on .github.io. Okay, in 55 minutes. Maybe that was too much. I could have made it faster, quicker. But yeah, the website works. So let me see if the linking is also broken here. Great. See, it loads like fucking quick. And this is what I want, something quick that people can see the development of the game. They can read something easily, no fancy shit, no bells and whistles. Okay, let's go back to home. Yeah, the error was just for the local hosting. It works perfectly here. Yeah, it works perfectly here. Okay, so this is working as intended. Fuck yeah, thanks Rock. Thanks to our AI overlords. Okay, so what else? I would think that in this main page, I'm gonna change the text. I'm just gonna put let's try and add something cool, something like that says hello in ASCII art. Let's see if Grok can do that, because I know that AIs get lost with ASCII art, and if Grok can't do it, I will go and ask Claude. Okay, great. Fuck yeah, Grok. Yeah, dude, that works. Okay, before doing that, let's turn off all of the style of the website into just one file. I'm just gonna use one CSS file for everything. Yeah, because currently I'm using this thing called inline CSS, in which I add the style in the HTML, but this makes the HTML files too big. Okay, so we're gonna go with the CSS, the simple CSS. Okay, so I'm gonna ask now, help me turn all of the CSS into a style CSS file. I don't want it to be inline CSS. I want it as an external file. Okay. Import you. Yeah, this works. Okay, so see now the HTML file is much shorter because we do not have all of this at the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna create it here. Okay, and this one's going to be styles, and there it is. Now we have the style for everything. Gonna save this one, and I'm gonna change the code of this one. Okay. Yeah, see, it's much shorter. I have this space to write whichever text I want to write. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so now this one, we're gonna tell Grok to fix this one. Now this HTML. Oh, this would make this file way shorter. See, all of this is the style stuff, and now this is all of the file. Okay, I'm gonna save this one, I'm gonna save this one, and I'm gonna save this one. And let's see if this works. Oh no, now the button is broken. Okay, so we're up to 1 hour already. I saw the auto message on Twitch from the coffee bot. Yeah, the button look cool. Yet, oh, what the fuck happened here? So now things are broken. Yeah. Oh fuck no, what's happening here? Let's see what's happening here. Let's tell Grok that it's broken now. Now the button isn't displaying as it should. Also the style isn't showing as intended on both the edges. Okay, everything's broken. Ensure style CSS is in the correct location. Okay, yeah. I think I wasn't clear. Okay, styles.css is in the root folder. Link it in the files in that way. Yeah, it's the same issue that was happening earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna copy. Paste this one. And now this one. Okay, so let's see if this works now. Yeah, it works. But it doesn't. Yeah, this is the thing about trying to do shit that you don't know how to do. We lost the cool button. If we look, okay, I'm gonna ask Rock. Dude, the initial square button you gave me on the main index HTML file was very cool. I liked the hovering and square you made. Why did I lose that now with CS5? Yeah. Reinstate the styling. Yeah. Grok is reinstated the styling. Update the style CSS with the following. Okay. Let's see now. I'm gonna save this one. Yeah. Grok is getting a bit lost now. It kinda got me. Oh, this is really cool. I'm seeing some glowing there. This shit is glowing. Oh, yeah, Grok is getting a bit lost here. Yeah. I'm gonna tell him. Well, that kind of fixed it. but just make it the same size of the initial. No. Make exactly like that. Also, now the CSS is breaking my markdown. How are these things called? The bullet points, yeah, are far on the text. Fix that also. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. No, it doesn't fix it. No. Let me see. I think I had another CSS file on the previous conversation that I had earlier. Let me try and find that one. Okay, let me find it. Could we change the font? Yeah, something like that. So this is a previous conversation. I don't know if all of these things. Okay, I've got this one, this style CSS. Let's see if this one works. How would this look? Okay, now it's broken. Okay, now the bullet points are fixed, but the responsiveness of things is broken. This isn't centered. Okay, let's go back into Grok. Okay. Okay. I've got this new CSS that fixes the markdown bullet points. Leave it as it is. Leave it as it is. But now, please fix the response. Back. Make it centered as it was working before. Okay, we'll see if this one works. Here's how we can modify the CSS to ensure responsiveness and center content, maintaining the vintage hacker team. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this one. I don't think that Grok made any changes. Okay. Yeah, now it's centered, right? Yeah, this works. Oh, fuck. We lost the cool buttons. Yeah. We lost the cool buttons. Okay, let's see if Grok gets me. Dude, yeah, that works. That fixed some stuff. Now let's get back the square buttons that I was talking about. Make them, no, not square. rectangular. Maybe that's why Grok is lost. It's the first ones you made. Okay, so the music stopped. Let me check here. Okay, so here's how we can add back the rectangular bird with the initial styling you liked. Let's see if we have... Oh, I see some hover. Yeah, text decoration, underline. Oh, let's see if this works. Don't fuck this up, Grok. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's broken when I run it locally. Okay, I'm gonna upload it again to GitHub so we can see how it looks. Okay, so let me see in this one. Awesome. Fixed. Now let's change the okay. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this one. I'm gonna save it. Awesome. Fuck yeah, people. Okay, let's see how this would look in mobile. Yes. Oh. Would this get caught? No. Yeah, looks as it should. Okay, so it seems like sometimes the linking is broken, but only locally. I'm gonna upload this to the web now, to GitHub. I'm gonna save, but this is working. Yes. Yeah. Let's just make sure that it is working. Yes, see? There's glowing on this button. I didn't even tell Grok to make this shit glow. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, awesome. So this is our very simple blogging website. No bells and whistles, no external libraries. As you can see, this is the root folder. I just have like 5 fucking files. I really don't know what. No external libraries. Yeah, this idea thing. Yeah, this is some GitHub stuff. Yeah, this doesn't matter. But the website is this: styles, the README, which doesn't make anything, license doesn't make anything, and index and the sample that we have now. This shit is working. It's looking like a cool, simple retro blog. So this is what I was trying to make, what I said that I was going to make on the title of the live stream, and in 1 hour and 14 minutes this is already working. So this is pretty fucking cool. Yeah, cool, Grok. Yeah, thanks, Grok. Yeah, I know this isn't a complex project, but still pretty cool to be able to do this kind of things. Okay, so let's upload this to GitHub. Okay, so what would be the style of a commit message? A commit message for these changes. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna push it to GitHub. Okay, now it's on the web. Gonna reload this one. See, just 1, 2, 3 files. That's all we have to make this work. I'm gonna make the readme look cool and the license look cool also. Yeah, this is the license. We're gonna fix the readme in a bit. Let's see if the website is already deployed. No, it's loading, but it's getting deployed now. Let's see if the linking of the buttons is working, because it's broken when I run it locally. I don't know why it's broken, but we'll see. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we've got a couple viewers, right? We've got a couple viewers on Twitch, on X. No viewers on YouTube. Yeah. But anyways, it's already deployed. Let's go to the website. nerdypunk.github.io. Fuck yeah. This is working. Welcome to my terminal blog. I'm gonna add some message here in ASCII art. View sample. Yes, this is the sample. Go back to home. Yes, this is working. Yeah, it's only broken in the local version of the website. Yeah, but when I run it on the web, everything is working. So if you want to see it, just go to the fucking link. Yeah, nerdypunk.github.io. Okay, what's next? Let's try and add some more stuff to this initial website. Okay, let's go back to Grok. Okay, thanks dude, everything is working as intended. Do you happen to know how to make ASCII art? Okay, so Grok's thinking, is it slow or is it stuck? I think it's stuck. Yeah, we're gonna pause this one. Gonna reload it. Yeah, creating ASCII art can be a fun way. Choose your text tool. Okay. Okay, let's ask Grok. You generate the word welcome in ASCII art, so I can add it to the top of my index.html file. Okay, so Grok says that is the word welcome, but that doesn't look like the word welcome. Not at all. Maybe the word welcome is too difficult. Yeah, that doesn't look like it. Try with hello. Yeah, even the hello is broken. Okay, let's ask Claude. Okay, can you generate the word welcome in ASCII art? Let's see if Claude does it. Yeah. Claude got it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna tell Claude that this is my HTML file. Awesome. So I want to add that to the top of this HTML file. Okay. Yeah. Make it centered. Okay. And make sure that it is on top of everything. Okay, so it seems, yeah, it seems like we're getting a bit of CSS here. Maybe I can get this back to the CSS file, but doesn't matter. Copy contents, and I'm gonna paste this one here. Kinda works. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken. When you see it here on the web, it's broken. Yeah, you can kind of read the word welcome, but it doesn't display correctly. Let's try the word hello. Okay, the word welcome, it's broken. Would hello be easier? Okay. Yeah, we want it to be more reliable. Okay, hello. There it is. No, this looks like held. Like held. But bigger also. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah, Claude. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. This one looks cool. This is a better version. Let's hope that it isn't broken when we see it on the web browser. Oh, this one looks cool. Oh, it gets kind of broken, but it looks very cool. So I'm gonna keep this one. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Let's just keep this one. This one looks like very old school. Okay. Awesome. So we have this working. So if you're watching, just leave a comment. I'm happy to chat, open to share anything about the process of making my game. So if you're watching for the first time, I'm an indie game developer. I'm making a game with Unreal Engine. I'm not a web developer. I'm just playing around today because I want to make a very simple blog in which I can post my text devlogs, like the ones that John Carmack posted in the 1990s. Okay, but this is looking cool. Oh, it even shows when it is broken. Fuck yeah, Claude. Yeah, so Claude is better for ASCII art compared to Grok. So sorry, Grok. Yeah, Claude made it better. Okay, so what would be the next thing? I would say that in this main page, I would have like the sample and then like the months. Yeah, I would have buttons with the months, and each month would show like an archive of the plan files of the devlogs. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, welcome to my game devlogs archive. Here you will find all the info from the development of my game Spaceman Memories. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so welcome to my game devlogs archive. Is that one centered? I'm not sure if that one is centered. No, this one isn't centered, so we're just gonna center that one. Welcome to my game devlogs archive. Okay. I'm just gonna ask Claude. So now I'm gonna be using Claude. Yeah, sorry, Grok. Okay, could you make the welcome phrase centered, please? Here's the code. Okay, let's see if it is centered now. Yes, it is centered now. Welcome to my game devlogs archive. Here you will find all the info from the development of my game Spaceman Memories. Okay, view sample plan. And see, this is responsive. Yeah. Thanks to Grok and CSS and all of that shit, this is responsive. Okay, so if you're watching, you could go and see the website right now at nerdypunk.github.io on a phone. So please, if you're watching, please go and watch it on a phone and let me know if it is working on phones as intended, that you can see the info as it should. Okay, awesome. So what would be next? Okay, the months. Okay, so I'm gonna add some buttons here. Let's say like December 2024. January 2025. We're gonna start with December 2024. Okay, so we'll just continue with Claude here. Yeah. Works. How you please add a new button as the one I have, but with the text December 2024, and it links to a file called December 2024 .html. Okay, so let's hope that I don't hit the limit rate on Claude. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna hit the limit rate very soon. Okay. Okay, now we have two buttons. Yeah, view sample plan, December 2024 archive. Okay. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new file here. Oh, hi Matvey. So we've got a new comment from Matvey on Kick. So the question that Matvi is asking, why don't you use an IDE like Cursor or Windsurf? I do know about Cursor. I do not know about Windsurf. And yeah, I'm not a web dev, dude. I'm a game dev. I work with Unreal Engine. So it wouldn't make sense for me to pay for Cursor. Yeah, but I do know that it's very cool. I've seen how it works. I've seen how powerful it is. But yeah, I wouldn't use it. Yeah. So I would be paying for something that I wouldn't use. So that's why I'm using what's WebStorm here. Yeah, I'm using WebStorm, the one from JetBrains. Yeah, so I'm just trying to make this very simple blog, the one that I was showing. Yeah, very simple blogging, which I can post my plain text, markdown text devlogs about my game. So this is like the sample of what I'm trying to achieve. So yeah, Cursor would be like too much for what I need. Yeah, but thanks for asking. That's a great question. That's a great question, because yeah, fuck yeah, Cursor is very cool. Yeah, I hope that in the future I can get more into web dev after I'm finished my game. But yeah, for now, I think I wouldn't need something like Cursor, even though it is very cool. Are you a web dev? Do you work in web development? Matvi? Okay. Where was I? Okay, yeah. Yeah, the new file. New HTML file. This one's going to be named December 2024. Okay. So so Matvi on Kick says, you're a web dev, I'm a web dev. Yeah, I work mostly developing React apps. Oh, really cool, dude. Yeah, I would very much would like to understand better how web development works and software, modern software works. I've just been working with Unity and Unreal in these last few years, but it's very cool. So Matvi says on Kick, I use Cursor every day and it makes everything way easy. Yeah, I would very much understand that Cursor makes things very easy. Yeah, one of these days I'm just gonna try and pay for the subscription, like for 1 month, just to see what I can build. But I'm pretty sure that it's very cool to use and it makes the workflow very streamlined. How long have you been working in web dev, dude? Okay, so I've got the December 2024. And okay, so Matvi says, with the latest 0.43 version of Cursor, you get agentic AI software dev assistance. Oh, so these guys also have agents now too. It is free for 15 days. Fuck yeah, that sounds cool. Yeah, I will try it then. I will definitely try it. Yeah, I've seen that Replit. Have you used Replit? I've tried Replit too. These guys have a very powerful agent now. Yeah, so I've seen how the agentic things are working. Didn't know that Cursor had the agent now also. So you've been working on web dev for over 5 years. Yeah, that's a long time. Are you a senior now? I would assume. Yeah, senior web dev, right? Okay, so let me go back to Claude. Let's go back to Grok. Let's see if Grok can help me with something, because I don't want to hit the limit rate on Claude. Okay, so Matt Beyond Kick says, yeah, I think the best I've tried so far is Cursor. Yeah, I would assume that it's very powerful because of the pricing. And I'm a senior. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And do you work in a company, in a startup, or in a big company, or are you a freelancer? What are you into in these days? What are you building? List. Okay, so I just asked Grok, here's new HTML file. Okay. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Okay, so December 2024. Okay, yeah, this works. Yeah, this is working as what I want. So we should be able to go into the month, like December 2024 archive, and show like the days. Yeah, every day. Okay, so Matt V says, you're a senior. Yeah, I work in a vaping company developing on top of BigCommerce Shopify. Oh, great. Fuck yeah. That sounds exciting. Yeah, I would assume that this end of year was very intense, right? Yeah, because I follow Toby Lutke on X, on Twitter, the founder, the CEO of Shopify, and I saw that it is a crazy time for Shopify and all of the platforms that use Shopify. So I would think that you've been having some crazy months, right? Like November and December. Okay, so this is looking like what I want. Okay. Okay. Fuck. I lost the audio. I don't even know when I lost the audio. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, the audio disconnected for some reason. I don't even know what happened. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, but it's working back. It's working already. Let me check, because it seems like the subtitles aren't working anymore. Okay, so testing. Yes, the subtitles are back. Fuck me. Yeah, if anyone's watching, if my audio stops working, please let me know. Yeah, because I just go into the flow of building things and I forget to be checking the OBS settings. But anyways, let's continue here. So as I was saying, so I don't know how long ago my audio stopped working. This is already on the web. This is already on nerdypunkgithub.io. It is hosted on GitHub as a repo. Yeah, you can fork this code. And yeah, this is like the sample of what I'm trying to achieve. This will link to the archive of December 2024, which is the only month currently available. And here I will start adding the posts to each day. So this would be the December 20 post, and this is just a sample text from the ones that John Carmack made. Okay, so I'm gonna fix the text now. Here you will find all the info from the development of my game, Spaceman Memories. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to Grok. Okay. Tag. I want you to add the next text. Load the game. More info, add. No. Yeah. And this would be the okay, so we're up to 2 hours already. No. Grok isn't getting me. Just okay. Okay, so this is a clickable link that goes to nerdypunk.dev. Yes, this works. Awesome. Oh shit. We lost the other button. Where the fuck is the other button? That linked to the okay, yeah. This works. Yeah, it seems like this is a local issue. When I upload this to GitHub, this doesn't happen. The styles being broken doesn't happen. Yeah, but at least I know that it is linking to the right. Yeah, okay. Yes. Okay, great, awesome. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're almost there. This is almost ready. Yeah. So I was just trying to fix like the last text of this. But the website is working as it should. I'm just gonna fix this archive. Yeah, this should just have one here. Yeah. We'll just yeah. We're almost there. Yeah, this is almost working as what I was visualizing on my head. Yeah, hello, welcome to my game devlogs archive. Here we will find all the info from development of my game, Spaceman Memories. If you want to wishlist or follow the game on social media, find more info at nerdypunkdev. This work is inspired by the plan files by John Carmack. Help to use this for my game if you want to make your own arc, just fork this repo on GitHub. Yeah, view sample plan. Yeah, that's the sample. And December 20 post. Yeah, great. Fuck yeah, this is working. Okay, just fork. Let me double check that the linking. Yes, there it is. Okay. But we did a lot. I'm just gonna fix some text here. This work is inspired by the by John Carmack, which he said in the early ID software days. I have to use this as an accountability system for my game developers. You wanna make your own archive, just fork this repo on GitHub. Okay, great. So now I got my very simple, very quick to load blog. No fancy shit, no JavaScript or any other shit. Yeah, I'm using a JavaScript library, which is linked from the web. Yeah, I'm not even using it on the repo. But it is only to display markdown. Yeah, this type of text. Because I didn't want to make this type of text with HTML. Too much of a headache. Too much of a hassle. It's just better to make it like this. Okay, awesome. I think this works. I'm gonna leave it here. The archive is working. Oh, let's fix the readme, right? Yeah, let's make the readme look cool. Just for the sake of finishing the project in today's live stream, making it look cool in GitHub. Okay, so I'm gonna tell Grok into markdown text for my readme file. Okay. Can I edit the readme? Seems like I cannot edit the readme file. Why am I not able to edit this one? Okay, I'm just gonna push the latest changes and I'm gonna edit the readme on the web. Yeah, on GitHub. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that everything is working as intended. December, why does it say December 20? Yeah, I'm just trying to find why the fuck does this one say December 20? Because the file isn't named December 20, the one I'm linking. Yeah, here it says December 2020. Why the fuck does it say December 2020 if the file isn't named? Well, fuck it, I'm just gonna upload it to GitHub now. Yeah, because it is working, and I'm gonna fix any of these minor details later. It is working. So I'm just not gonna try and fix something that is already working. Okay, so I'm gonna save everything here. I'm gonna save this one, save this one, save this one, save this one, and I'm gonna upload it to GitHub. Okay, so updated archive change home info. Yeah, no other thing. I'm just gonna commit it to main, gonna push it to Origin. Yeah, it's already on GitHub. And now I should be able to go and edit the README file. Yeah, here it is. I can edit it there. Okay, so let's just wait for this one to load, just to make sure that everything is displaying as I want. Okay, so just a couple seconds, this is going to work. Okay, so let's just wait for GitHub to upload the page. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's open up a new tab, nerdypunk.github.io, and there it is. Fuck yeah, this is working. Okay, so here you will find all the Spaceman Memories sample plan. Fuck yeah, we can go back to home. And December 2024 archive, December 20 post. This is just a sample. Yeah, this is not has anything to do with my game. I'm just using the sample, and I will start in the next few days to start changing this. But this is already working. Okay, so I can link this to nerdypunk.dev. Yeah, when I click here, it sends me to my website where I can check out the trailer of the game and wishlist the game, add it to wishlist on Steam and everything. Check out the social media, and also I'm linking the GitHub repo. Yeah, awesome. So now let's fix this README file. I'm just gonna get what Grok gave me. Okay, here you will find all the info from the development of my game, Spaceman Memories. The game, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna commit these changes, commit to the main branch, update README, and there it is. Now we have like the very basic README. We're gonna make it look better in the next few days, but at least the website is working. This is a very simple blog that I made with Grok and Claude as a non-web developer. I just wanted to make something very streamlined, very lean. No JavaScript, no loading, no complex stuff. Something very, very quick in which anyone could find in all. Oh, I'm thinking that the archives should be English and Japanese, because so much Japanese people supports me on the web. So I'm just gonna make this shit with English and Japanese to make it look even more cyberpunk than it is already looking, like this terminal. So let's see, I'm up to 202 hours and 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna go and add the Japanese text just to see how it looks. Let's see if it works with this font, the current font that I'm using. But yeah, because so many people from Japan follow the development of my game, and they are a very cool community. They are very consistent developers. I should hope that someone could use this system for their games also. So let's try and make this shit also Japanese. Yeah. Okay. Turn this. Okay, let's ask Claude. Into a very natural Japanese translation. Okay, so let's see how the Japanese characters display, right? Okay. I'm going to... Okay. Oh, fuck yeah! This looks like the fucking 1990s. Yeah, the website looks old school shit. Old school cyberpunk shit. Yeah, I fucking love this. I fucking love how this looks. I could add like division here, right? Like a line. Yeah. Okay, let's ask Claude to do that. Oh, it's a divider. That's all that. Okay, I ran out of free messages until 5 a.m. Claude says, so this was the last message that I could use from Claude. But at least, yeah, I made it work. So it's just a divider. So I'm not a web dev. I didn't know that it was just one line that I had to add there. No, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that key and Japanese shit. No. No. Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't look like something I like. No. No. Claude didn't get me. Okay, let's ask Rock, right? And this HTML file, please just add a simple divider using the same green between the Japanese and English text. Because I know that obviously browsers just translate stuff now, right? But it'd be pretty cool if you just got into the website and you could see any of the two languages. And it just looks so cyberpunk, right? So fuck yeah, let's go with both languages. Okay, I think Rock got me. Yeah, there it is. Rock got me. Oh shit! Oh shit! Now the hello is broken. What the fuck happened to the hello? Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think this one will work on the main site. Yeah, on the home site. Yeah, because when you click like the translation yeah, the browser tries to translate this, which doesn't make any sense. Yeah, because the browser is detecting like if all of the website was in Japanese. So I think I will not go with the Japanese, at least for this version. Yeah, so we'll leave it. We'll just leave it here. I will use the Japanese in the archive files. Yeah, like in this kind of file. Okay, let's just go to the website nerdypunk.github.io. So So this was the last version of the website. I'm gonna use the Japanese in these files. I'm gonna use the English here, and after that the Japanese, so anyone can come here and see both languages, both the changes in both languages. So I think that'd be all, people. We're up to 2 hours and 31 minutes. It's 1:42 where I live, so I think I'm just gonna go and get some sleep. This was a very fucking fun stream. This was one of the most fun streams I've ever had, even if there weren't much conversations, but it was so much fun. The blog is working, the blog is on the web. It is extremely simple and extremely quick. See, it loads like, yeah, loads like lighting. Very, very quick, because there's nothing complex happening here, and I just wanted to display simple text. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be ending the stream here. Thanks everyone for coming. Thanks everyone for watching. I was really happy to share this very cool and fun process of making this very simple text blog with no fancy tech, web developer tech, using Grok and Claude, both AIs. I use both AIs. And also, if anyone wants to know, for the code editor I was using is WebStorm by JetBrains, which is now free for non-commercial use. So yeah, I think I will be ending the stream here. Thanks everyone for watching, wherever you're watching. This was a very fun stream. I hope I will come in the next few days to live stream some stuff about Spaceman Memories. I'm trying to get some things ready. Haven't been that consistent as I would have hoped in December. Yeah, I was very consistent in November and October, but I wasn't that consistent in December. Yeah, because you know, it's a crazy month. But anyways, hope to see you guys soon in any of my channels on Twitch, YouTube, or X, or Kick. Now I'm live streaming on Kick also. So thanks a lot everyone for watching. I will see you on another day. Bye bye. I hope that anyone that is also a game dev can fork this repo and start using it as a very simple blog. There's no complex hosting involved. This is all for free. The website is hosted for free, and it is very quick. Yeah, it is a very quick website. I'm just gonna reload it so we can see it last time. Yeah, see, very quick. We can display text. We can also display images here, because I'm pretty sure that Markdown can display the images. I will try that on another day, because it's a bit late and I want to get some sleep. But anyways, this is already working. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's just make sure that this is responsive. Yes, this is responsive. See, everything here is responsive. Yeah, so this should display correctly in tablets and computers and smartphones. So yeah, thanks a lot everyone for watching. This was a very fun stream. I will see you on another day. Bye bye, and